Daddy got us some new tools. These ones are for you. These are your size. Which one you want? You want that one? All right. Want this one too? You gonna play while I do the garden? Any winter bugs? We got this tree house at the auction house and we bidded on it because the money went to the Girls and Boys Club here. She got this last year, but didn't get to really use it much. But here we are, springtime. Is there any bugs in there? You get my weeds? Good job. There's a big one right there. Hey, look. Gatlin, look this way. There's a big one right there. See that weed? I forgot. Mommy forgot them. Mommy forgot to give you them Easter present.
Sorry, I'm watching out for you. Okay. Oh, you want the big one? Can I help you?
Got it? She says she likes the big tools the best. Yeah, girl.
You got this one.
That one's your size. Mommy got you. Look.
And you got this one.
Ooh, sharp. Sharp object. I like that one.